How to fix Steam download speed drops to 0. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also facing your issue where your download speed is dropping to 0 on your Steam, so in that case what you need to do is just come over to this download settings right from over here by simply opening this gear icon that is download settings. So once you're inside here, the first method what you need to apply is just make sure you have selected the download region to your latest or nearest possible region. So my nearest possible region is this one, so I'll simply select this one, and based on that you have to restart your app just like that. So once you do that, another method what you can do to fix this issue is simply come back to your search bar and just search in for view network connections. So once you open it, simply select your Wi-Fi and simply click on right click and click on properties and just select internet protocol 4, and once you're inside here just select this one second option. So at the top one you just have to select 8.8.8.8 and under the second section that is alternate DNS you just have to enter 8.8.4.4. so once you do that, just hit the OK button from over here and make sure to restart your computer, and once you do that your issue should be fixed. And if it's still not fixing your issue, then the last thing what you can do is just head over to your search bar and simply search in for command prompt, run the command prompt, and once you're inside here just type in the following keyword on your command prompt just like this. So just follow the on-screen instruction. Once you type in the following, hit the enter button on your keyboard. And another thing what you can do is you can also use this keyboard to reset your network settings, and once you do that you just have to restart your computer or laptop and your issue should be successfully fixed. That is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.